Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a 2000, well, out there that is, I've got a 2009-10 Toyota Yaris. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rear lamp. Dead easy, 2 nuts basically, and the wiring plug. That's it. Comes off. Let's go. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off, just like that. There we go, that cover comes off. Next thing what we're going to take off is we'll take the wiring plug off. Just take that wiring plug off, there we go. Okay, after that we're going to take them 2 little nuts off, 10mm nuts. Take that one off on the top there, and then that one off on the bottom there. Take them 2 off. Right, after we've taken them 2 little nuts off, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little push. Hopefully it should come straight off. So give it a little push, and then from the other side give it a little pull. It should come off. There we go, that comes off, and that's it. We're going to replace it with a new one. Let's go. Right, okay, there's the new one, there's the old one, both of them there. So as you can see there, the new one, what we've got, it's got a clear indicator lens on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an orange indicator bulb in, or amber indicator bulb in. It should do the job. So we're going to change both sides, so that way they're both same. Well, that is it, guys. That's it. Job done. Dead easy. As you've seen it, 2 nuts. Take them off. Happy days. All done and dusted. That's how we replace the rear lamp. Toyota Yaris 2010. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV. We'll see you guys next time.